Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a new application in a virtual number series and how we can obtain a virtual number. And in today's video we're gonna look at this application over here, which is known as TextMe, and we are gonna be going through this into this application, and I'll show you the procedures in order to obtain a number and everything from the scratch in this video. This is not just going to be theoretical videos like the other videos of our channel, but this is going to be a live demonstration from the start of the installation till the end. Okay, so guys, do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until the end. If any error occurs while choosing my number and making a call or text, or while making a social media account, I'll inform you guys and I'll show you guys how to solve all the errors in this video. Okay, so guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button in order to receive daily up-to-date updates of all the tech related information and about the virtual numbers. Okay, so for example, in our channel we post about how to earn money using few browsers by not doing anything, and we conduct few giveaways, and more importantly we help you solve all the problems or to obtain a virtual number used for cold calling or to make social media accounts using those virtual numbers. Okay, so the first step what we're going to do is we're going to search for TextMe. If we search for TextMe, it's going to be available in the Play Store. This is the application which I was speaking about. This is an very good alternative of the other top market leaders of virtual numbers such as TextNow, Second Line, Text Plus over here, Google Voice, etc. So the reason why I am posting this is that there are a lot of people in my previous videos of solving all the TextNow problems or the comparison videos on the application. So a lot of you people asked me to post a video about TextMe. So yes, right now today I'm going to post a video about TextMe. Okay, now let's just not waste any more time, just straightly dive into the important part. In the installation process I found no errors. If you people are finding any errors, all you have to do is that you could go to Chrome and search for TextMe, and you would have this application over here or this website over here. Go-text.me. It will take you to a page from where you will be able to navigate to the Google Play Stores page. As you can see, it navigated me to this page, and over here we'll have the install option. After installing, I have already installed this application. So after installing, all we have to do is just click on the open, and in the open stage we may face a few errors while signing up. So all you have to do is that, as you can see right now, I have connected to a VPN. All you have to do is that connect to a VPN of Canada or the United States over here. There are a few VPNs which I recommend is going to be good for you and free. I'll leave those videos link in the description, and the first comment I'll pin the first comment. So just go check it out if you want more information. I'll not be going in depth in this part of this video. So as I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible and delivering you guys as much as content what is needed. Then the next step what we have to do is that when signing up, we have to make sure that we are signing up using a Google account. As you can see, I have signed up using a Google account. The reason which I'm telling is that if you sign up using a mail, our account may get disabled. This is what I learned from the forums. My accounts are not yet gotten disabled, but it's still what they say, our accounts may get disabled. So make sure that you sign up to an account using Google. Okay, after signing up, you'd come to this page, and in this page we are supposed to choose our phone number. As you can see over here, I'm gonna choose my phone number. Let's check. I'm gonna obviously choose my country to be USA. It's going to be 315 as always, as 315 stands for New York state code. It's my most favorite one. I'm gonna choose a number. Let's just choose this number. Okay, this number has been reserved. Okay, as you can saw before, it's asking for money. So all our other applications for choosing a number such as Text Plus or to say Second Line or TextNow do not request us for money. I even made social media accounts for free. As you can see over here, this is my number, but this application over here asks us for money. Okay, so let's just skip the part and let's try to make a call to this number over here. I'll try to send a message to this number over here. 315 6273830 6273830. Let's try this. Okay, what is going to happen? Okay, this is asking for a lot of permissions. It already asked me for my contacts permission. Right now, I'm totally seriously heading this uh, application, as you can see. But do you know what? They called me a premium plan member. I don't know what the shit. It is premium plan features only this time. Okay, so they need this permission too. I'm gonna just uninstall this application, I guess, soon. I'm gonna try writing a message. Hi, how much is it going to cost us? Okay, I have received a text. So how much did it cost? It cost me 5 credits. Okay, so for a single message, it cost me 5 credits. Okay, so guys, this was the overview, and I did not face any errors. As you can see, my review, this application is okay, pretty much not useless, but still, it's not that good of an application. So, how much would I rate this application? I would rate this application. I don't know. It's uh, it's a paid application. All the features in this application are paid. It's not a free application, so I'm gonna rate it 3 out of 5. And if for 10, it's going to be 6 stars. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do enjoy watching my video and my reviews, just make sure to click on the thumbs up button which is located below this video. And once again, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near to my channel. So, guys, if thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in tomorrow's video. Until then, bye.